In this video, we look at 3 of the most reliable battery packs currently available that offer the capacity and safety features necessary to keep your Ring doorbell vigilant through every season.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Amityke Battery. The Amityke replacement battery is a popular choice for those seeking a high-capacity energy source that matches the physical specifications of the Ring quick-release system. Boasting a capacity of approximately 6040 mAh, this battery pack is designed to provide weeks or even months of power depending on the level of activity at your door. It is fully compatible with a wide range of devices, including the Video Doorbell 2, 3, 4, and the Battery Doorbell Plus, as well as the Spotlight and Stick-Up Cam series. One of the key benefits of the Amityke model is its focus on safety protocols, incorporating built-in protections against overcharging, short-circuiting, and overheating. This ensures that while you are getting a high-density power cell, your expensive security hardware remains protected from electrical surges. The micro USB charging port integrated into the battery allows for easy recharging using standard cables, making it a versatile and dependable backup for any busy household. On number 2, we have Lesaps Battery. For users who prioritize a balance between cost efficiency and reliable performance, the Lesaps Battery offers a sturdy alternative that integrates perfectly with the Ring ecosystem. These Ring camera batteries deliver long-lasting power with 3.65-volt rechargeable Li-ion cells and an upgraded 7200 mAh capacity, clearly rated with no exaggerated capacity claims. This ensures a stable, continuous, and reliable power supply for your Ring cameras. Built with premium lithium-ion cells, the batteries support flexible charging and discharging without memory effect, helping extend overall battery lifespan. Each battery features a built-in charging port and can be charged using a standard micro USB cable. The 2-pack design allows convenient charging from any 5-volt USB power source, including PCs, car chargers, and power banks. The included charging station also supports charging up to 2 Ring batteries simultaneously for added efficiency. For complete peace of mind, the Ring doorbell battery charger is equipped with multiple circuit protections, including safeguards against overcharging, overcurrent, overload, overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits. These built-in protections ensure safe operation while maximizing battery performance and longevity. On number 3, we have Aikebatt V4 Battery. The Aikebatt V4 represents the latest evolution in third-party battery technology, specifically optimized for the high drain requirements of modern video doorbells. As a V4 iteration, this battery often features an upgraded capacity of up to 6040 mAh, pushing the boundaries of how long a wireless camera can stay active between charges. This version focuses on improving the cycle life of the battery, meaning it can be recharged hundreds of times without a significant loss in its total energy capacity. The Aikebatt V4 is also equipped with an intelligent LED indicator system that communicates the charging status clearly, so you never have to guess when the unit is ready to be reinstalled. Its robust internal architecture is designed to handle the frequent wake-up calls initiated by the Ring software, ensuring that the camera records every visitor from the moment they step onto the porch. For those living in areas with high foot traffic, the extra milliamp hours provided by the Aikebatt V4 can make a noticeable difference in reducing the frequency of maintenance. So these are some of the best batteries to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.